was Samre, there were tea. Sorry. As many come among almost snow farm. And so Yasaba have you ma, ye the CEO and I can say within Como. Was I green farm, there's tomatoes. Was okay, betray, now you who the boss, yes, yeah.
Major, so.
A Jumo.
As matter was.
Now, Sarah Jumo. When you know, bet me I can be a craft and toast. And I ain't toasting Quamba. And can be a craft on my.
Okay, inti ahano. I think the last time now you can say yeah, sustainable farm or sustainable agribusiness. What it means they say empesa de be waste ewa. So what we do is say yeah mushrooms ni we are sawdust and compost nanka ye ko tu ego no. And it be dua tomatoes no.
Oh, okay.
So we have we say rice and hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, the na bi e de fra e de ye mushrooms no. Enti no ye mushroom ni na ewie na ye harvest mushrooms after 3 months I harvest ya afi compost no emba bi mu no na afi ya convert ye yini na aboa no na ye de manure e de afra na ye de adua e tomatoes enti we chemical free nothing just compost and manure and e de afra and e de adua e tomatoes no
nti moton e mankofo
umpatane nti ye nkofo omu hia organic vegetables nti nkofo a e ton e bi edemom ye tomatoes no ase wono mo so any open field ye mako e wo ho in fact lemongrass na ye de ye 18 kra na edwe wo ha ya nti e bibia e ha ya ade production bia handman ye ni na
we shall one kind say we no mo say no omunja ni say I think say mo de ye product me boa nti ubeti an bo product ni biso a mo tomatoes mu de ni say product na say ene mo ton eno asa
tomatoes dey and it pepper na ton raw say ton fresh for consumers and we make it place order the next day or two na
place order find your phone number be
0554 121 998 offering that's the op bia bia no you be package be nicely na that bro.
Okay, so moye production no ye nin ko for production no ni ma ben na moye production be na moye wo e wa ha.
Okay, enti sana na ye ka no ye mushrooms so e wa ha na mushrooms no ye use sawdust, ye use wheat bran, ye use rice husk, ye use in fact any waste e be ya ade timi pro a ye bia ye use e wa ha na de mushrooms no nti e ka sa na mani na bombwie na de mushroom no wi a afi ya harvest for about 3 months na afi ntimi cheda e ma bebrebe mu no eno ena use eno no e de ba hanom e de be dua yeah tomatoes and the vegetables e pese nti what we do here say crop rotation nti enye just one crop you see tomatoes na after harvesting the next thing na be cucumber the next thing so it also depend on what the market wants then we plan what next to plant nti before this it was cucumber and then now we are doing tomatoes.
Hey, can we need tomatoes in Kwana Mudia? I think say one Santa Coach now. And say Mudia a lot of varieties.
Yes.
Okay. We better or base senior say the Musliana. More training.
Umpatani, ye training like I mentioned earlier, no. From now to January 5th, 2025, you free consultancy services at amount. And you can come here, have a look at what we are doing. If you're interested, you want to start, that's a new idea behind. We can sit down with you. We give you the guidelines on how you can go about it. The idea is in the long run, a person it will produce enough food to feed ourselves as Ghanaians. That's the basics. And so I say, be able to involve into agric beer. Just get yourself involved, and then we will help you. And then there's a project that we're doing with Springboard, what we call the Ghana Grows QET Organic Grow Your Own Vegetables in 60 days. No, small backyard that will feed China that other person we vegetables. We take you through day by day within 60 days. Until some crops be a can say within 60 days now you're ready. And you can just WhatsApp the number that I posted as me boy, and then we can add you to the group where we have, at the moment, we have over 800 participants on that program, where we are guiding them daily, on a daily basis, on what to do to be able to ensure, say, we garden our way, are sustainable. And then at the end of the day, you'll be able to feed yourself, you can get something to sell to other consumers as well.
Obi ehwe me a ana ehwe ya e dey na obeka say bi so ka say mo group a oba obeti am on free yi no obeka dey encourage no amana enter into agric farming say dey wuyi.
Okay, into the mechanic say agric is the way to go. Agric is the future. Agric is rewarding. But don't come into it expecting that you get your returns. No, it doesn't work that way. In fact, there's no business that would do investment now be our returns, unless those businesses we know that they're not being genuine. And so, give yourself the time to learn, give yourself the time to grow, give yourself some frame of time so that you can see really the benefits that you can reap from it. But then, like I keep saying, agric is the way to go. And don't and should be and say and say it's not rewarding. It's rewarding. If you want to see it practically, come to us, come here, and you see all that we are talking about, and you realize that it is indeed rewarding.
Okay, it's indeed rewarding. I was for a cat young quay. Some cat farm and yebe esrano. Ewo na fumi. High vegetables audia. Udiamba ko udia kakumbu udia a lot of and the other 2 years tomatoes. Some people who think more for or baby or ye mushroom. And you follow more on social media platform. Now you talking about the mushroom and also the whole video ever blown. Macron meeting yaya from Baobab entrepreneur. Bye bye.